Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fill out Zillow rental application. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to open the Zillow.com and search for the house or apartment that you want to rent. So you can enter a preferred location here, then use the available filters to actually narrow down the results. So when you find the property you're interested in, open this listing. So open this listing like I've done and look for the apply now button. This is actually still loading. Oh, all right. So right on it's when you find a property that you're interested in and you open the listing just like we have here, then look for the apply now option. Now, as you can see for this listing, we do not have an apply now option. All right, so we only have like get pre-qualified, so there's practically no there's no button that allows you to apply now. And that's because not every Zillow rental accepts Zillow's online application. So Zillow says that when a landlord has enabled applications, renters can apply directly from the listing through apply now. But then if you do not see it here, this is just saying that you should go ahead and contact the buyer's agents. And once you click on next, they're going to take you through the process of application. But then on the listing, if the apply now button is activated, just go ahead and click on apply now. And Zillow will take you to its online rental application. So if you aren't already signed in, you'll be asked to sign in or create a Zillow account. So Zillow's application is completed through your rental hub, where you can manage applications and other parts of your rental search. So once you enter the application, just begin providing your personal information. Zillow's current application requires information relating to your current household, contact information, residence history, and income. So make sure that the information you enter is accurate and matches your supporting documents. Start with your personal details. You generally need to provide information such as your legal name, your phone number, your email address, your current residence information, and other identifying information required for the screening process. Use your legal name rather than a nickname, especially because Zillow uses the information to process identity, credit, and background screening. So if you're applying with another adult who will also be part of the rental household, add them as a co-applicant when prompted. Then Zillow's guidance says that each prospective tenant over 18 should complete their own application, and one applicant can invite another applicant through the application. So provide information about the household that will occupy the property. All right, and then Zillow's application specifically collects information about household makeup, pets, and moving timing. Be truthful and make sure that the information corresponds with the rental listings policy. The next one is to complete your residential history. All right, depending on the fields presented, you provide details such as current address, previous addresses, date of residence, monthly rent or mortgage information, and previous landlord information. Just enter the information carefully and move on to the employment and income portion of the application, where you can provide current employment information. Zillow says renters can also provide income verification documents. Its current application pack says that applicants can upload up to 5 documents, which may include pay stubs, W-2s, bank statements, etc. So verify your income, upload genuine documents that belong to you, enter your emergency contact information where requested, and just keep following the prompt until you're done. Zillow's rental application includes screening information used to generate credit and background reports. It is important that you need to provide identified information required to process those checks. Enter everything correctly and exactly as requested, and once you've completed the required application information, you'll be asked to pay the Zillow application fee. Okay, so before submitting the application, carefully review everything you've entered. It is very important you do that. Once you've confirmed that everything is correct, submit the application. The Zillow processes the application and screening information. When the application has been successfully submitted, the landlord or property manager can review the completed application through their Zillow rental manager account. That's it. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.